Which coffee scale is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Greater Goods Coffee Scale Onyx Black. First up, we have the Greater Goods Coffee Scale in Onyx Black priced at $29.99. What caught my attention was its impressive 0.1 G precision, which is ideal for anyone serious about their brewing. If you want consistent results in your coffee, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The barista-level precision with its rapid refresh rates means you can instantly tweak your measurements for the perfect pour-over or espresso shot. It has a built-in timer to track your bloom and extraction, which helps you stay on point with your brewing. Plus, it can handle weights up to 3 kg, making it versatile enough for everything from coffee beans to kitchen ingredients. Now, some people complain that the auto shutoff feature can be a bit too aggressive, turning off during longer brewing sessions. Here's the thing though, if you're just mindful of this and keep an eye on the timer, it's really not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a home barista looking for reliable results. Skip this one if you need a scale that's going to sit out all day without any concerns about shutting off. For the price, you're getting a lot of value. Now, if the auto shutoff feature bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, ERAVSOW Mini Coffee Scale. Next, we have the ERAVSOW Mini Coffee Scale priced at $25.99. Right off the bat, I was impressed with its compact design and 3 brewing assist modes. If you're tight on space but want precision, this is definitely worth a look. This means you can brew your coffee exactly how you like it every time. The auto timer mode is a game changer, allowing you to focus on perfecting your technique while the scale tracks everything for you. Plus, the rechargeable battery lasts up to 13 hours, so you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. With 1,500 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's another well-received scale. Now, some users mention that the scale can be a bit too sensitive, causing it to fluctuate unexpectedly when weighing. I'll be real with you, this could frustrate some people, especially if you're looking for a no-fuss experience. But if you approach it with a bit of patience, this scale still performs excellently. This is perfect for you if you're a traveling coffee enthusiast looking for a portable option. Skip this one if you prefer a larger scale that you can leave on your countertop. For the price, it offers fantastic portability and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a more traditional design. Product number 3, Greater Goods Coffee Scale Birch White. Now let's talk about another Greater Goods coffee scale, this time in Birch White, also priced at $29.99. This caught my eye because it provides the same excellent features as the Onyx Black version but in a different aesthetic. If you're into style as much as performance, this is worth considering. Like its counterpart, this scale features a 0.1 G precision sensor and a built-in timer, giving you the control you need for that perfect cup. The durable, spill-resistant design means it can handle your brewing sessions without worrying about accidents. It also supports multiple units of measurement, which is great if you're weighing different types of ingredients. With similar ratings to the previous model, it maintains that 4.4-star status among users. Some users pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens, which might be a concern if you're limited on space. But honestly, if you can spare the room, its reliability and design make it a worthwhile addition. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a visually appealing scale that still delivers on performance. Skip this one if you need something ultra-compact. For the price, it's a solid investment for both aesthetics and function. Now, if the size of the Greater Goods scales is a concern for you, then this next option is definitely a breath of fresh air. Product number 4, CYBRGINT Precision Digital Food Scale. Up next is the CYBRGINT Precision Digital Food Scale at just $16.99, which is a steal for what it offers. I found this scale to be extremely practical and user-friendly. If you want a no-frills approach that still delivers accuracy, this could be your go-to. The compact design fits easily into any kitchen space, and it even has a tare function which lets you measure ingredients in containers without the extra weight. The LCD display is backlit, ensuring you can always read your measurements clearly, no matter the lighting. With a 4.6-star rating based on 735 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some users mention that the plastic design feels a bit cheap compared to others. Here's the thing though, given the price point, you can't expect premium materials, but it still works exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, straightforward scale for multiple uses. Skip this one if you're looking for something more heavy-duty. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something a little more advanced, this next option might be just what you need. Product number 5, Subminimal Subscale Digital Dosing Cup. Finally, we have the Subminimal Subscale Digital Dosing Cup, priced at $49.95. This one really stands out with its sleek design and unique features. If you're after a scale that doubles as a dosing cup, this is definitely worth your attention. The subscale has an invisible LED display and a touch-on-off switch, giving it a modern and clean look. The rechargeable battery ensures you won't have to worry about changing batteries constantly. It also functions as both a scale and a dosing cup, making your brewing process more efficient. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 531 reviews, it's clearly appealing to many. But I'll be honest, some users have found the touch controls to be a bit finicky at times. This might annoy folks who prefer physical buttons. However, if you can get used to it, the functionality it offers makes it a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're a barista looking for an elegant and efficient brewing tool. Skip this one if you prefer traditional button controls. For the price, you're getting a high-quality, multifunctional gadget. Now that we've covered all 5 products, let's quickly compare them. So to wrap it up, we've got the Greater Goods Coffee Scale in Onyx Black and Birch White for reliable performance, the ERAVSOW Mini Scale for portability, the affordable CYBRGINT Scale for simplicity, and the sleek Subminimal Subscale for style. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you value most in a coffee scale. Happy brewing!